get up and me go feet. Never wait for no lift. Me a take you all pot. Me no want to play it. Come in, I want be nothing but somebody great. Me a try.
What's up, YouTube? It's about Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And biscuits. I ain't trade. Anyways, we finna. They eat. What the? God damn. Anyways, y'all, we finna react to this video called Somebody Great by Zerimar. You see me? Ain't no big booty females though. No, y'all chill. Y'all chill. Anyways, y'all, leave a like on this video. I want to say a huge thank you guys for supporting me. Like, thank you very much for watching the video. It means a lot. No, leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Let's get straight to the video right now. Let's see what's popping. Shout out to everybody. Let's go. Okay.
Damn. My bad.
God damn.
Me a take you all pot. Me no wanna play it. Come in, I want be nothing but somebody great. Me a try long time, still I mind no wait. Got no years past. 2020 wanna make it 8. I fi build me house and start elevate. Watch where you stand.
Yo, generally the dog say I take the whole pot, people. The dog say no have no plate. You don't want no plate of food, people. You want half a plate of food. They must take the whole pot.
Come out. Can I ask you a question?
No. Let go.
Levitate. The enemy, them a blending. Watch and a wait. Got the world where we live in of all different colors. Me a try so long. Wonder, Lord God, do me do wrong. So much I hears me in a music and singing a sense of. When you get a buzz from time, I start sing about God. Evil eyes are remark COVID-99 man.
Yo, man, this is the weirdest Hennessy bottle I've seen in my years of seeing Hennessy bottle, no cap. But basically what he's saying is he's taking the whole pot, he doesn't want to play. Basically, this year, 2021, this is the year for be great. The song is called Somebody Great. And he's basically telling us that, yo, he's been in the music business for the longest time, people. And he's saying, yo, this year is his year. Y'all listen to Zerimar? Let go.
I research to them, say me a pretend gunman. Never know how far me and my career come from. I'm not always who I say I am in my song. Friend kill and rape and me take revenge pan. I'm in a tool like that.
That same take revenge for friend killers and rapers. So no matter. Buckler, go on.
Gone up for them a group on a bandwagon. I'd have to tell the true friend from pagan. That's why me say so true to me damn dear one. My pray for my friend them no see police station. Me only carry we gun them for protection. God guide my life on the next man. Him say blessings I go come in me direction. Cause for the new year be health and money me a pray. Them a watch the melanin in your skin and say you can't be.
I have to include that in your song, isn't me? I say for the New Year's that's straight money in my pre, yes, but for them for your black, basically I say for your melanin, them I say nah I'm gonna make it, isn't me? I say. But we black people are gonna do it in a dog. We are gonna do it. Go on!
No play with your 3 points in the damn street.
That's
where you want be, where you want be. And the level where you can't. Me I take you all party. Me no wanna play it. Come in, I want be nothing but somebody great. Me a try long time, still I mind no wait. Got no years past. 2020 wanna make it 8. I fi build me house and start elevate. Watch where you standing, cause you no levitate.
Yeah.
The enemy them a blending. Watch and a wait. Got the world where we live in of all different colors. In a 15, daddy send me up in a state. Me more educate. In a 19, my turn in a college graduate. With bachelorate and as
oh yeah, pause. You know, since this man graduated from college, people. I was watching one of his interviews. I don't remember which thing, but it's a Trinidad channel, I think. This, yo, Zerimar is well educated, you know, people. You need to go look at research for him. You understand me? He's not just a bad artist out of which part he come from, my girl? Arima. You see me, I say? He's not a man that come sing Be a Bad Man song and the song for the girl them with the big body them. You see me, I say? Yo, why y'all laughing, bro? God damn, but you understand me? Let's go though. Education and some them can't take. I just wanna be a legend with a legacy. If you know wish me good, then you're dead to me. Come in, I'm gonna make it tamper with my energy. And if you violate my dog, wait, you plenty. Don't tell mama, say me have to reach by quarter century. Don't let follow me hater, them at 2020. Some might know me as Cristiano, them at 2020. If you violate my dog, wait, you plenty. Don't tell mama, say me have to reach by quarter century. Don't let follow me hater, them at 2020. Some might know. Make sure you left all the haters in. Yo, dog, yo. Did you guys leave all the haters in 2020? Or you brought them with you? You brought your haters in 2021 with you?
My what?
Your haters.
Oh, no.
You left them all in 2020, right?
Yes, facts.
You left them all in 2020,
I
right?
got LeBron mine just because I want them to still watch my videos.
Which is right. But I leave all mine. I leave all mine. I
Yes,
go.
Cristiano, them a call me Zerimar.
Well, that's
and
true.
them can't stop, we
But
like
you don't
jealousy
need
and
that.
envy. Some of them pocket full and yet still them brother belly empty. And it not gonna make sense if you don't know the journey. Give me the trophy and no competition, triple or no compete. Only pass snake inna the grass, them some just come. No bite the finger, them me feed there, I feel all they want.
Yeah.
And anything me want, me get up and me go feed. Never wait for no lift. Me a take you all pot. Me no wanna play it. Come in, I want be nothing but somebody great. Me a try long time, still I mind no wait. Got no years pass. 2020 when I make it yet. I fi build me house and start elevate. Watch where you standing, cause you no levitate.
Nah, like boss, you gone for a minute, but you fall back strong. You see me I say? You fall back strong. In the song you say 40. I want to be for emotion in the comment section right now. You see me I say? Straight positivity for 2021 people. Yeah man, you may talk to me. Like the video. When you watch the video and like the video yet? Like the video that, yeah. Yeah, them energy I want 2021, yeah. Now just one fire emoji for me to me. Wait for fire emoji them. Cause you move like you know I like the video. I'm tell that. Yeah, drop some fire emoji now. Yeah, dog. Go on.
The enemy, them a blending, watch and a wait. Cause the world where we live in have all different colors. Me a try so long. Wonder, Lord God, do me do wrong. So much I hears me in a music and sing in a sense of. When you get a buzz from time, I start sing about God. Evil eyes, I read my COVID-19
Wait,
one
pause.
one.
Did he just say only get a bus when him sing about gun?
They can sing in a sense of. When you get a buzz from time, I start sing about God.
Bumbo clad. I lie. Because your girls and them hot too. But most of them guns and them really are the hot song them for him for real. Which it John no. Tell that story dog. Go on.
Evil eyes, I read my COVID-19 one. Then I do no research, so them say me a pretend gunman.
See that?
Never
He
know.
just named out all his hit gun songs by Sickaway. By the way, he just named out all of them. He just named out all of them. And that's, I think I found him from a gun song from COVID-19. Yes, that song. See? Bumbleclaw from Arima COVID-19 911. I say no say artist bad now when they say put all them song them in all them song them in a song. But go on.
Farm, yeah, my career come from. I'm not always who I say I am in my song. Friend kill and rape, and me a take you all back. Me no wanna play it, cause me no want be nothing but somebody great. Me a try long time, still I mind no wait. 2020 when I make it yet, I fi build me house and start elevate. Watch where you standing, cause you no levitate. The enemy, them a blending, watch and a wait. Cause the world where we live in have all different color snake.
Shit. What y'all thoughts on this music video, guys? Let me know down below in the comment section. And as usual, recommend some more songs down below. Leave a like. Check out the main channel. We're going crazy on the main channel, Tariq Vlogs. Go subscribe. Like you're missing out on a lot of good shit over there. Go watch a stepsister video. That shit went crazy. Let's be the boy Tariq Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, signing out. Peace.